Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. I'm Nisha Goyal. Once again I welcome you all in my third video lecture of Maths Chapter 3 Subtraction. In last lecture we had completed exercise 3.2 and now we will continue with our next content, subtracting from zeros, which you will do in exercise 3.3. Dear students, when we have to subtract a number from another number containing zeros, we do the regrouping in the same way as we do for other numbers. Dear student, remember these 2 points in your mind always when you will do subtracting with zero. First line up the number by place value and then subtract and regroup when you need it. Let's take an example of these. Rajat bought a dress costing 756 rupees. He gave 1000 rupees to the shopkeeper. Means his dress cost is 756 rupees and he gave 1000 to the shopkeeper. So how much does the shopkeeper should return back? How we do it? Do we do add here or we do subtract? Yes, my dear, we do subtraction because shopkeeper have more money than the cost of dress. So he will do subtraction. How we will do it? We will write 1000 on the top because it is a bigger number and 756 on the bottom because it is a smaller than the 1000. My dear students, you already learned how to subtraction in our last videos. We always start subtraction from ones place and then tens place and so on. So let's do it. So we start from ones position. Subtraction the two digits, that is 0 minus 6. It is not possible because 0 is smaller than 6. And now 0 turns to its neighbor, very close neighbor, that is tens. He asked to tens, "Can I borrow from you tens?" He said, "Sure." Oops, but I am also a 0. I can't give you anything. Let me borrow from my neighbor, that is hundreds. So tens asked to 100, "Dear 100, can you give me a 1?" 100 digit look itself and says, "Oops, I am also a 0. Let me ask my 1000 place neighbor, very close neighbor." All zero numbers wants to give his neighbors one number, but they can't give because 0 can't lend, right? They asked to 1000 neighbor, "Hey 1000 neighbor, can I borrow a 1?" 1000 neighbor says, "Sure, I can give you 1" to his 100 neighbor, and his self become a 0 because when we subtract 1 from 1, it becomes 0 and now 1 is added to the 100th position and now it's become 10. Now he also wants to give one number to his neighbor tens. He gave one number to his neighbor tens and 10 reduced by one number and that is become 9 and 1 is going to add it tens position like this. It also became 10. Now he also wants to give one number to his neighbors ones because it starts from ones position. Finally, everybody have something to lend his neighbor. So now tens gave one number to the ones. Itself became 9 by reducing one number and 1 is added to the ones position. Now ones became 10. Now we can do subtraction because we have 10 number on the top which is greater than the 6. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 and in our tens place 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and now on a 100 place 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 and on a 1000 place we have 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So Rajat will get 244 rupees back from the shopkeeper. Let's take one more example of concept zeros on different places. So we have 5800 minus 1145. Let's start subtracting. First we will arrange the numbers vertically. The top we will write larger number and on the bottom we will write the smaller number. So my dear student, on a ones place you are watching, on a top we have 0 and on the bottom we have 5. It is not possible to subtract because we learned that already. From 0 we can't subtract any number, which means here 0 is smaller than 5. So what he will do? He will ask to his neighbor, and his neighbor is tens digit number. So but that is also 0. So what tens will do now? Tens will move to his 100 digits neighbor, and that is 8. So 8 is now ready to give one number to his tens neighbor. So he reduce one number from itself and become 7, and he gives one number to tens, and it is added in a tens place and it become now 10. Now tens place is also wants to give one number to his neighbor ones. So he reduce one number from itself and become 9 and gave one number to the ones, and now ones become 10. Now my dear students, it's ready to subtract. So we will start subtraction. So my dear student, first on a ones place we have 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now on a tens place we have 9 minus 4 and that is equal to 5. Now on a 100 place 7 minus 1 and that is equal to 6. Now on a 1000 place we have 5 minus 1 and that is equal to 4. Now my dear student, finally we got the answer 4655. So let's take one more example from your book, from exercise 3.3. So my dear student, here we have one question from your book. First question is find the difference, and C part it is 700 minus 403. So my dear students, you know that whenever we have to do subtract, so we are starting from ones place. So on a ones place you are watching 0 is on the top and 3 is on the bottom. So 0 is smaller than 3. So 0 what do? 0 will take one number from tens, but on a tens place it is also 0. So what he will do? He will take one number from 100 place. He will ask to his 100 place, can I borrow one from you? He will definitely give because he is bigger than 0. So 7 now is ready to give one number to tens digit and that is 0. Okay, so now 7 reduce by 1 and it become 6, and one digit is added to tens place and that become 10, and now tens is ready to give one number to the ones place. Now 10 reduced by itself and it become 9, and now he will give one number to the ones place, and now on a ones place 0 become 10. Now my dear students, we are ready to do subtract. So now we have on the top on the ones place 10 minus 3 and that is equal to 7. On a tens place we have 9 minus 0 and that is equal to 9. Now we have 100 place. On a 100 place we have 6 minus 4 and that is equal to 2. Very good. Now we got our final answer and that is 297. Let's take one more question from your book. Question number 2, subtract, and question number is A part 6537 from 8000. So my dear student, let's rearrange it first from top to bottom. So first we will write on the top which number, which is greater number. So in this, which number is greater? Yes, 8,000. 8,000 we will write on the top, and 6,537 we will write on the bottom. So now everybody knows that we have to start from ones place. So on a ones place we have 0 on the top and 7 on the bottom. So 0 is smaller than 7. So what now ones will do? Ones will go to tens place. On a tens place it is also 0. So now 10 will what do? Tens will move to 100 place. Now on a 100 place it's also 0. Now very sad, 100 what will do? 100 will move to now its neighbor, very close neighbor, that is 1000. Now 1000 is ready to give one number to 100 place. Now what he will do? He will reduce one number from itself and it will become 7, and he will give one number to 100. Now one number in a 100 place we will add like this. Yes, now 100 is ready to give one number to tens place. Now it will reduce by itself and it will become 9, and 1 will be added in a tens place. Now tens is ready to give one number to ones place. Now tens reduce by itself 9, and 1 we will add in a ones place, and it become now 10. Now my dear student, we are ready to do subtract. So on a ones place we have 10 minus 7. It will become 3. Very nice. Now in a tens place we have 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. Now we have next in a 100 place 9 minus 5, and that is equal to 4. Now next in a 1000 place we have 7 minus 6, and that is equal to 1. Dear students, finally we got our answer, and that is 1463. So my dear student, I hope with these example and these questions you understood this exercise, and you can now revise this exercise on your notebook. I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and do practice of subtraction. Bye bye. Take care.